Welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video aesthetic on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut and at the menu, you can click on the template at the bottom. And then in here, and at the top, you can click in here. And then click Aesthetic. This one. And then in here you can see many template video aesthetic on CapCut. You can choose everything you like. But in here I wanna add this one. And then in here you can click on the use template, click on it and choose the photo or video that you want to edit. But in here I want to add a photo, so just click on the photo at the top and then choose the photo that you want to edit. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then click on the next, this one, click next at the bottom and finish. So that's how to make a video aesthetic on CapCut. And after this you can click export at the top right. If you wanna export with a CapCut watermark, you can click export. But if you wanna export without a watermark CapCut, you can click export without watermarks with TikTok apps. And okay, and finish. So that's how to make a video aesthetic on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.